didn't say to stop. Greetings! Welcome to TC Lifestyle Adventure, and today I'm gonna be exploring Robinson Preserve near Bradenton, Florida. For this video, I'll be checking out my second hike in Manatee County. If there's something about this you felt like I should have highlighted or mentioned, or you have questions, concerns, gripes, and complaints, let me know in a comment below. Now let's get started. Alright, right now I'm at the south entrance of the preserve. Here, no bikes are allowed, only foot traffic. This is a nice view. For those who are wondering, I'm finally on winter break from my school, and it's definitely well needed because I was getting burnt out. And that's no exaggeration, man. Oh, how nice that look. How's everyone doing today? Speaking of which, are you on winter break from school? You still gotta go to work? What y'all up to? Left or right, left or right? To the left, or to the right, to the right? I'm gonna go this way. I can come all the way back and go to the left, because it appears here in this route, there's more to offer, based on what I saw on Google. And also, there's a observation tower somewhere here. I'm not sure if it's at the southern region or the northern region of this preserve, but I'll find that. Howdy, y'all. It's TC the Wandering Historian. Yeah, I'm overdue for this because thanks to school and a bunch of other things going on, I couldn't really be hitting the trails. But now, I have one less responsibility that's on hold. I'm back at it again. I should probably bring Miss Charmaine out to one of these things. She really has to check this out. I'm sure she will like it. Oh, look at that. Look at those birds right over there. You probably can't see it with the camera, but let me get a little closer, because I think that's what these people are looking at. Oh, this is a nice trail. You know what? I should have went right to get that panoramic, but I'll come back. Have you ever seen anything like this? Well, besides a textbook, National Geographic, and social media, have you ever seen anything like it? Oh wait, I see the tower. It's way over there. So far so good. I'm about to approach my second bridge. Yeah, if I want to come back, I have to go left again, because it kind of loops around. I'm now a couple miles northwest of downtown Bradenton. I'm trying to get over here. Let me get on over here. It's a nice quiet day, a nice breeze. That way it's not so hot. I'm not complaining. They're currently reserving this, They are restoring this place. That's why I see all the signs around here and a little bit of work going on. So it's in progress. I can't wait to see the finished result. All the more incentive for me to come back. Okay, you see it? Right there. That's where I'm headed. I cannot wait to go up to that tower. I don't think I should go in to go over there. I mean, okay, good. Because I don't see any signs telling me no, but since they said no bikes, I'm thinking that's where that trail is. I think I'll just stay here and just enjoy it. I'm frustrated because I realized I forgot to bring my digital camera, but that's all right. That's a happy accident. So that's all the more incentive for me to come back, you see, so I can take more pictures with it and not just rely on this single photographic equipment. See, there's multiple reasons why I chose not to just use my phone. Get multiple cameras to create flexibility. So far, I like what I see here. It's nice and quiet. I don't know if you can hear me with the wind, but this is definitely what I needed. Because I'm telling you one thing, staying inside all day, working on my content, doing schoolwork, or just managing all this, that cabin fever kind of reminds me of the quarantine during COVID. I know y'all remember that. Don't want to go back to that again. Okay, if I continue, I have to go all the way around, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go this way, because this will take me in the direction of that tower. Okay. Authorized personnel. Okay, I can't go that route. Because I see another trail that crosses paths here. Okay, yep, this is on to Manatee Avenue to gain entrance to the other direction. That's where the tower is. I'm gonna go that way. And it's paved. Interesting. I'm gonna keep on trucking here. There's plenty of other people here again. They're getting out in shape in this nice quiet neighborhood near it. And I applaud that. She didn't seem like she wanted me to get her on camera, so I tried to avoid it. Tried to avoid her. That's all good. The last thing I need is a confrontation. Okay? I don't need none of that. Just chill, relax, man. L-I-V-I-N. That's what I like to do. I ain't got time for no drama. I got better things to do with my time. Hello, what is that? This is about serendipity. Fiddler crabs, roseate spoonbill, an osprey. I'm not really into bird watching, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna keep on trucking here to that tower.
Thank you.
You just missed it, but I was walking, I heard ding ding of a bell from a back. And I had to quickly step out the way, but I wasn't recording. But that was nice of that person to let me know, hey, on your left. Or in this case, on my right. From my experience on the hiking trails, you don't get many of that. People just go right on past you. They don't say, hey, look out or nothing. They just go right on past you like, rude. I hear someone else coming. Maybe I should go get a bicycle and come right back here. Cause just like I don't see why not. I just gotta learn how to balance holding this camera in my hand while I ride a bike. I mean, since I got in the car, I've really had no use to even ride a bicycle again, but I think I kind of have to get one now. Who knows? Maybe. Here it is. I finally reached the tower. And look where I had to travel to get here. I'm seemingly in the middle of nowhere. All right, here we go. Have I ever made anything like this one? No. But did the Manatee Viewing Center tower look like that? I'm not sure. Okay then. Get in there. Get in there. So far, so good. Let me look over here. Before I continue, if there's something about this video that you felt like I should have highlighted or mentioned, or if you have any questions, concerns, gripes, or complaints, let me know in the comment below. And now, back to the video. And no, I'm not even at the top yet. I reached the top. Yep, here's the rough. All the way down there. Look at that. Hey! Sunshine Skyway Bridge. That's on my list. I'm not sure the name of this body of water, but look at that. Ooh wee. Look how nice that look. Have you ever seen anything like it? Oh man. This was so worth the wait of doing school and the drive and the hike to get here. Totally worth it. In case you're wondering, if you're interested in kayaking, there's a little boat launch near where I parked. You can also bring your kayak here. I don't know if they have anything for rent. I don't know. I gotta look into that later. Look at that boardwalk I was on. Hey, look at that. It's looks like a fish. Wait a second. Looks like a duck or some type of bird. Wow. I literally walked past all this and didn't even know it. Okay, nothing on this corner. Looks like it came off. I don't know the story behind all that. Check this out, y'all. You gotta come check this out. Mentioned that. Y'all gotta come over here and check this out. This is the Robinson Preserve near Bradenton, and now I got what I wanted with this tower. Time to head back down. Fast forward this. Totally worth it. Totally worth the drive. Totally worth the traffic. Totally worth the hike. I need to get the heck out of that house. I wonder, oh yeah, while I'm thinking about it, shout out to Jason and Gina. Mackie Lifestyle Adventures TV, Father and Son, Special KK247, Real Reality USA Vlogs, Atishai, Sun, Ship, Soil. Who else is there? Zarmus. You got multiple channels, I'm sorry, I can't remember. Joyful Julie. The heck with it. Cullis Smith, who else is there? Ratty, Adventures in Lifestyle, Orain Freestyle Adventures, Good Vibes K, Let's Do This with CJ. Who else is there? Who else am I forgetting? I don't have my list in front of me. Renew Cool. Okay, I remembered. Woodward, Asian Vlogs. Keep on going, keep on going. Y'all gonna come look at this. I don't know what it's like over in y'all neck of the woods, but here is worth it.
Hey Pat.
What's going on?
Catching sheep's head and redfish off this.
Well, I'm sorry. Mama Elma or Todd, I can't remember, I'm sorry. Kumsodat Point of Kashmir, JH Vlogs 512, Power and Redemption, The Journey of My Life, man, Andre Clock, Milton, I don't know if he's a content creator, Nick, I know who it is, I just can't remember his name, I'm sorry. Hang on. I don't know where that route goes. I came from here, let me go this way. I'm already here, let me just keep going. Screw it. Look at all these critters. Are those crabs? Yo, look. Look at that. They're all migrating away from me. Oh man. Totally worth it. Look at that. Is this like an episode on Animal Planet or National Geographic? Whoa. Look at all these critters. I don't know if the camera could really see it, but oh man. Look at all them crabs. Watch my step, watch my step. I don't want to step on them. But look at how they're all avoiding me. Makes you think though. I'm just a human, but they're not. I can only imagine what humans are doing to these crabs. Let me just stop talking. Oh man. Don't worry, I'm not gonna attack y'all. But that is so interesting. Pardon all that, but there were just so many crabs all over there and a bunch of other critters. I'm like, yeah, let me just get the hell out of there. I'll come back though, once I go get this view of the tower from the other side. I'll come back. Now, I wouldn't mind living here in a recluse. It's nice, it's quiet, calm, tranquil. I'm away from the city life. I just need a nice change of pace, you know? I don't want to get complacent. Because I used to be complacent before, and as a result, I got lazy. I missed out on too many things. I'm not making that mistake again. That's what I want to encourage y'all to do. Just try new things and just go on a hike. What really prompted me to do this was to go during the pandemic, you know, to maintain 6 feet, because I just need to get out the house, and I fell in love with it. Here I am 4 years later, I haven't stopped. Whoa. Sorry about that, I got a little distracted. I'm hearing people now. Not so much secluded, but hey, they're on the, look, you see that? That's what I was talking about. I gotta come back here. If they could rent a kayak. Look, see what that guy's doing? He's filming. That's what I'm gonna be doing. That sounds like a tour. Perfect. I gotta do some research on how to get on that. And also find some accessories to hold this camera so it don't get wet. Things of that nature, because I can't really paddle while holding onto a camera in my hand. I tried that, too difficult. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a plane. Okay, the occasional noise of a plane flying over. Okay, I used to be a plane enthusiast, so I ain't mad about that. It feels like a nice trip down memory lane as I walk on this trail and listen to that engine. That engine sounds modified. I'm used to how the old plane engines would sound when I was all up in that, but times changed. Oh well, I still recognize that. I'm still here. I'm still trucking. And this is what I love to do. I just love to go on the next hike. I always say going on a hike with my camera is best described as life and the rest is waiting. Another way of saying it is I live my life one hike at a time. Because during that time period I'm on the trail with my camera, I am free. I ain't gotta worry about any of my responsibilities or nothing like that. I'm stress-free. Usfraba. I'm in the zone. I'm in the moment. It's such a very nice feeling that money cannot put a price on. Whoa, look at that. There's the tower, but the sun's breaching from the clouds. Careful, careful, careful. Huh. How would you describe this? How would you describe that? This helps support my claim on hiking is a very nice thing, because the places it'll take me to and the opportunities for these picturesque areas is so worth it. Don't worry, I'm not really into fishing or netting or none of that. I just like to look at this place. Places like this. Okay. Water being dumped over here by a stream. I don't know the name of that stream. Whew. Thank you for that wind, because I was feeling it. I was about to sweat a little bit. That's what I needed. You know, if I didn't have my gear with me, I go for a nice jog. Oh, the heck with it. Let me start over. I'm doing a nice. I'm applying my art photography here. This is what I like to do. You know how it is with social media, you gotta make it all fancy. You already know. This is where I came. And this is where I'm headed. Ain't about where you are, is where you're going. Or where you're from is where you're going. Keep moving forward. If this doesn't help convey the message, I'll think of other ways to convey it for you. Because that's part of my model of trying new things. Yeah. I don't know if they want me to get them on camera. I don't know what he's looking at.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, for those who are wondering, another reason I like to do this is because I don't want to wait until I retire to begin to enjoy life like this. Because there's no guarantee I'm going to live that long. And by the grace of God that I do, there's no guarantee I will not get some ailment that may hinder me. Like if it's pain, I'm too sore, I don't have that metabolism or energy anymore. Who knows? I don't want to wait until it's too late. Just do it now. Go for it. Huh. I wonder where this goes. Don't worry, I looked. There's no sign saying no trespassing. I watched my P's and Q's. I just want y'all to look at this. Huh. Nice and quiet. How would you describe this? How do you describe this? A picture's worth 1,000 words. How do you describe it? My vast vocabulary cannot even come close to describing it. I gotta try that. Can you even get past that, dude? And look, someone else is trying it. I wonder what camera that is she's holding. And what kind of lens is that? Oh, is that a pup? I don't think the pup likes it. Yeah, I don't think the dog likes it.
They're gonna remodel, they're gonna redo it, but you like it? See, there's a dock there too at the tower. Yeah.
I gotta come back on a kayak. I gotta do it. Y'all keep giving me more and more of an incentive to come back. Because eventually I have to go back to Manatee Viewing Center as well once they open for the season. You know what? Let me get some shots right here. Be right back. My legs are getting tired. They want me to stop. Well, I'm not back at the car yet, so I can't do that just yet. So my legs are just gonna have to suck it up. Don't worry, once I do stop, I'm gonna stretch. I'm gonna get hydrated and all that. I'll take care of them and the rest of my body, but I have to keep pushing here. I'm going to get out of that comfort zone and continue to push myself. If it's either physically or mentally. Either way, I gotta keep pushing myself, and that applies to a lot of things. Those are some words to live by, definitely. Especially since when later on, if I'm just gonna be scrolling through my content and then having to come across this, another reminder to myself, don't stop, get it. Now, as I mentioned before, when I came back, I was gonna take left to get that panoramic shot. I didn't forget. As for the aforementioned crabs, I'll come back with my camera. Not this one, I'm holding another one. I mean, after all, I am on the winter break from school. And look at that, the flock of birds are still over there. I guess they're not willing to fly right now. Okay, there's some people up there. Whatever, I'm still going. I just need to see what is like from up there. I'm gonna like get something about over there. We'll see. I'll keep y'all posted. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here it is. This is a nice panoramic. Good to know. And I'm so glad I got these wide angle lens. 170 degrees to be exact. Totally worth it. So while I'm out on the trail doing this, Miss Shar will be out on a cruise doing her stuff with this one. Totally worth it. Totally worth it, man. Oh, that guy's got a Labrador Retriever and a Rottweiler. I gotta get my own dog one day. One day, I can't wait. I really want to pet those dogs, but I don't think the owner will take kindly to that. Oh well. I respected his implied decision not to do that and has kept on moving. If only though, those dogs were so cute. I just want to pet their head and scratch that one spot by their ear I know that they like. Cannot wait to get my own dog, because I know for a fact he or she will be spoiled. Alright, I'm right back at the trailhead at the southern entrance of Robertson Preserve near Bradenton inside Manatee County. I don't know if you can tell, but those are a bunch of crabs, and I know if I get closer they're gonna scatter away from me. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to walk through there, but I'm not gonna take that chance. Alrighty. This is TC, the Wandering Historian. I just completed Robertson Preserve, and I'm going to be encouraging y'all to try new things. Blessings to all. Alright, so what'd you think? Please like, share, subscribe to stay up to date for more videos. This is TC, the Wandering Historian, encouraging y'all to try new things. Blessings.
Stop.
Yeah, I didn't say to stop.